to show you how to get captions to create videos from your content within the Workflow Assassin. So you're generating, you're using a prompt, you're generating some content, and that content is going to be generated into a post using Captions AI, which is a way to create influencer videos with you or somebody else as your talent. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to desktop.captions.ai/API. Now, if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one. You do not have to buy anything. If you just don't buy any account, they're going to give you 350 API credits. At least that's what they're doing right now. And then you'll go in here and you're going to get an API key, and you're just going to copy that API key here. And then you're going to go to the tool. So let's go to the tool here, and we're going to go here, and we're going to paste in the API key here. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole API key. It's nice and long, but you know, if you're a good guesser, maybe you guess all those. Anyhow, so after you do that, then what you're going to do is you're going to select an avatar. And to do that, you have to hit load avatars. And it's going to do this, going to bump this up. And then you're going to select an avatar. And these are a bunch of the avatars. And then your custom avatars are going to be at the top. So I'm going to use one. I'm going to use mine here. And all the other settings are going to be the same. Okay, so after you do that, then what do? Well, you're going to create content. So we're going to go here to the Content tab. We're going to turn off the images because we're not going to create any images anymore. And in fact, we should have that auto turn off. I'll eventually do that. But don't forget to turn off images because otherwise it's going to screw things up. And then you're going to go to create a video using captions. Okay, so it's going to say create a less than 60-second video. I'm just going to change this to a less than 20-second video and use less than 250 characters. Now, occasionally, OpenAI won't generate this properly for some reason, and it'll do over 800 characters, which will break the system. Anyhow, so that should be turned off as well. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to hit create. So this is running, and it is going to take a little bit of time because we're generating a video from scratch. So we're doing a few things here. We're going to the OpenAI. We're taking that prompt and we're creating a script for the video, and then we're sending the script out along with our avatar selection, and it's just gonna bounce around in there. So it's going to take at least 30 seconds. Well, actually, at least 35 seconds to do it. Because that's how long it just takes to get in the queue. So I can tell you right now, I'm looking at the console log, and I see that it's in the queue, and it's going through that, and it's going to check the queue every 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, it checks it again. So right now it's processing now. So we're processing our video. We're about halfway done with processing, 49% to be exact. And we're just going to wait for it. Now, if you want to see this yourself, you can open up the console log and see it. Eventually, maybe I'll put little information in there, maybe a progress bar so you can see how far it's going. Right now, the progress is at 89. Now it's at 96. So we're almost done. I'm going to fix the progress bar on that. So that's a great idea. And we're almost done here. And hopefully when it gets done, it's going to open up a page and put the link in. Come on, let's see that link. Come on. Oh, it didn't get the link in. Doggone it. It's going to put a link right here. I'm going to get that fixed. But let me open up the link here. And I'm going to just open it up in a separate page here. And here's the video.
Certainly. However, I'll need the topic you'd like the voiceover to address. Could you please provide that? Certainly. However, I'll need the topic you'd like the voiceover to address. Could you please provide that?
That's hilarious. So of course, when I ran this, I forgot to put a topic in there. We can look at that really quick. So make sure you do it right. I just left it like this. Voiceover is about topic. So anyhow, so that's basically how it works. A little glitchy. We're gonna get the link to show up for you right away. So that'll show up right there at the bottom where the other one does. I just need to give a little bit of pause so it can get it in the right place. I hope that's helpful, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.